y'all, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing. So as y'all can see, we have another bag from Strathberry. I am like officially hooked. I'm absolutely in love with all of the bags that I have so far. So started off the collection with the East West Mini, loved it. Got the Nano Tote, loved it. And then I wanted to try out a tote, and I was going to get just the regular tote. So as y'all know, I had the Nano and just get the larger size of that because I thought it was just so pretty. But I found one that's a little bit more casual and I think I might like a little bit better, at least right now. So that's what we have in here. I ordered this straight from their website. So the other two orders were from Saks, where I got some really great discounts because they were having sales. I still got 10% off by signing up for the emails on this one. So you can still get discounts when you shop on their website. I will say this came very fast and it shipped from Edinburgh, which is like crazy. They put like an overnight on it. Like I just ordered this a few days ago. So really appreciate the really fast international shipping. Yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. And of course we'll do a what fits. We'll do a first impressions, and then I'll go over all of the details. All right, so we have this dust bag, which is also just like a normal little canvas bag. And then we have the Mosaic Tote. This is the tan color with vanilla stitching. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm just so in love with their minimal designs and how functional these bags are. Plus the leather is just absolutely incredible. Like it's just so thick, and I'm just obsessed with this brand. As y'all can see, I'm clearly hooked. But this one, again, as I mentioned, has the vanilla stitching, tan color. You have their iconic bar. This one, of course, has feet as well. I love that all of their bags have feet. You have your two straps, and then this flap has a magnetic closure. And then here's the interior. Let's take this out. Oh, that's cool. It also comes with a little, like, I want to say card, but as y'all can see, it's really little, to verify or to certify that this was reviewed and sealed by a expert. So they individually sign these, which I think is really cool that they have that when you order from their website. This is 100% calf leather. It's absolutely beautiful. These bags are made in Spain. Of course, you have, again, that signature bar up front, magnetic closure, as I mentioned. We have a interior pocket right here, which can definitely fit like a phone. We have the feet, as I mentioned, and this is such a stunning bag. I am really excited just to have this as like an everyday tote because it is pretty like it's smaller than most totes. I would say it's more of like a PM size from Louis Vuitton, but it looks like it can still fit my work laptop if I want to take this to like Starbucks to work. So let's open this part up. You have that, I want to say like no, it's not microfiber. Maybe it's microfiber lining. It's like a soft velvety microfiber lining. You have one large zipper over here as well, and just the details and the quality in this is absolutely incredible, you guys. I'm obsessed with this bag. Here is the back as well and what it looks like. Again, just like a gorgeous little everyday tote with feet that I love. And it's a good like mix of a medium to large tote. So with that, let's go ahead and jump into what fits. So I have my 13-inch MacBook Pro. This is my work laptop. And it definitely fits in here. It's like a perfect fit. I'm also gonna grab my Louis Vuitton large ring or GM agenda. So let's just see what fits. Like, let's say I want to go work at Starbucks. I would put my MacBook in here. Let's see. The agenda fits upright, which is nice. And then I have my Chanel pouch. I will say that it's not too wide. So while you could fit this in here, I would only really be able to fit my like key. I wouldn't be able to bring like my glasses holder, for example. But where are my keys? I could also put my wallet right here. And then just like throw my key. I wish that I had like an external pocket. Y'all know though, if you've been following me for a bit, I love external pockets. But this does close perfectly with all of that in there, and it'll carry all of the essentials. Let's say now, well, let's see if a 16-inch will fit. I don't think so. I highly doubt it, but yeah, the 16-inch will definitely not fit. So here's it, like trying to put it in, it will not even try and fit, which is honestly fine because I have my Chanel surf tote that I can use if I ever want to carry my 16-inch. Again, this one I want to get for more everyday, and then primarily for carrying my work laptop whenever I go places. So as long as it fits my 13-inch, I'm fine. I'm used to my 16-inch not fitting in things. And also, I don't like carrying my 16-inch because it's just so heavy. If you have one, you know that's a very heavy laptop. So yeah. For every day, this is typically how I would pack it if I wanted to use it just as my main bag. So I have my iPad mini, which I love being able to carry. We have that upright. My wallet, let's just put that there. We have my little Chanel pouch, which I can put like cosmetics in. Right now I'm using it for stationery. I have my key. Let's see. But as y'all can see, we have plenty of room in here. I don't have my GM cosmetic case on me, but it'll definitely fit. I do have my Nano. So let's close this up. So here's my niece Nano. And that's how that fits in there. And then there's still plenty of room up top. So again, just great for every day. I could fit my sunglasses up top if I wanted to. I don't know where my case is. For that, I don't know why I can't find anything right now, but yeah, it fits a lot of stuff, which is great. Let me show you what a medium ring agenda looks like in here. So we have my Louis Vuitton medium ring, so of course, perfect fit. And here's what a pocket size planner looks like in here as well. So we have all of those. And then if I wanted to bring my laptop in addition to all of that, I definitely can. So the agenda, the GM agenda is just really full, so it takes up a lot of space, but you can fit a lot in this bag. So yeah, that is the Mosaic Tote from Strathberry. My third tote from them overall, and I'm in love with it. Quality and everything is just amazing. This is such an absolutely beautiful bag, and I'm very happy to add this one to my collection and just have another tan tote. So yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.